basis or on a normal day, this is how I really look. Without makeup, I just put on my eyeglass, my headband. This is my normal face or normal look. However, if you wanna enhance your beauty, I know everyone is beautiful, but sometimes we want to enhance it by putting makeups or cosmetics on our face. Señorita Joy Panlaki, this video is your suggestion. So here's how I put my makeup. I hope you will like it. Normally, before I start my makeup session, I do cold therapy or an ice therapy, wherein I use ice or yellow in doing a circular massage on my jawline, chin, lips, nose, cheeks, and forehead. For me, this is my inexpensive and easy to do, natural, and non-chemical based way to eliminate the puffiness around my eyes, reduce my oiliness on my skin, and it also helps to boost the skin's healthy glow. Before doing the icing on your face, make sure that you wash first your face and your hands. Also keep or have a clean washcloth or tissue to wipe excess liquid that may drip from your face. Also, never hold the ice on your skin for too long because prolonged exposure can also result to ice burn. Alright, so once we're done with the icing, let's go and dive in it. First tool that we need for our makeup session is our skin tone foundation. It is advisable that you buy or choose the same skin tone that you have for your foundation. So gently apply the foundation on your skin and spread it evenly on your face down to your neck. For my morena skin tone, I use Maybelline number 334. My top choice for my makeup is Maybelline because aside from its economical price, they are also very fine for my sensitive skin, and also I can easily find and buy them to any supermarkets. Our second step in applying makeup is to add volume to our eyelashes. I use Maybelline the Colossal Big Shot Volume Express Mascara that lengthens, curls, and volumizes my lashes. Gently apply your mascara on your upper and lower eyelashes to emphasize your beautiful eyes. Ladies, and some gentlemen, why do we need to put makeup on our face? Well, personally, I wear makeup because I feel more confident when I wear it. Do you feel it too? Makeup also enhances my appearance, just like my very thin eyebrows. I use mascara to comb my eyebrows and give its natural shape. Aside from enhancing our appearance when we wear makeup, makeups also protect our skin from pollution. I wear makeups to also look younger and also to look more beautiful in every photos. I bet you also like its benefits, right? The last tool that we need for our makeup session is to apply our favorite color lipstick into our lips, and I use them as my blush on. Gently apply it all over your lips and spread a little on your cheeks. And we're done! I hope you like it! It's very easy, very simple, and economical way of enhancing your beauty. I hope you like it. I'll see you all guys in the comments. And if you enjoyed today's video, it always really helps to support the channel when you give it a thumbs up. Thanks a lot for watching.